EST Moto, taga Pangasinan anak. Hello, what's up mga kaaro? Welcome na lang po kayo sa panibagong episode ng aking video. Sa mga solid kaaro, solid kuya, samahan nyo ako sa installation ng North Luzon Region 32 at chartering ng mga club. Mga aro, mga kuya, let's go! Oh, mga kuya, kaway-kaway mga kuya. Lockdown. Ate. Kuya. Yo, kuya tari. Inek. Inek. Mga kuya.
Ay, kuya!
Hello. Oh? Ate.
Hello! Jojo. Yung. Sana all. Thank you.
Here today is a testament of our dedication to fostering camaraderie, uplifting communities, and making a meaningful impact on society. Let this event serve as a reminder of our duty to stand united in brotherhood and to serve selflessly with strength and purpose. May we continue to soar high, driven by our mission to make a difference. Thank you, and once again, welcome to this momentous occasion. Mabuhay ang Agila!
National President. Ang ating pong National President, Kuya Ronald F. De Los Santos. Kuya. Next, ang ating pong guest of honor and speaker, Attorney Ken De Los Santos, who will be introduced for proper late.
Incorporated is no other than Kuya Ronald F. De Los Santos for the call to order.
By virtue of power vested in me as the National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles Incorporated, I hereby declare that the chartering and induction of North Metro Pangasinan Eagles Club, Victory Elite Eagles Club, Victory Hong Kong Lady Eagles Club, and the installation on North Luzon Region 32 and additional members from other region, NCR 11, NCR 116, and NCR 21 is now called to order.
Please remain standing for the colors. Ready? Headed by the MMDA color card. Please be standing for the Eagles Universal Prayer, followed by National Anthem and Eagle Sing.
Our divine providence, we humble ourselves before you as we praise your holy name and feel your presence in our midst. We implore your divine guidance and blessing as we consciously gather on this occasion in pursuit and furtherance of the the cherished goals and objectives of our beloved fraternity. We beseech you, all-powerful God, to enrich our hearts, to enlighten our minds, and to broaden our understanding and compassion to one another as we carry and pursue our goals and objectives, not only on this particular occasion, but also on the many times of our striving and endeavors. Please, Almighty God, elevate our spirit and fortify our steps as we seek to keep and edify our fraternity, everyone and whole. And as we strive perseveringly to enhance and strengthen our national brotherhood. All these are divine providence. We fervently ask under your supreme guidance and direction. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mga ate, mga kuya, please raise your right piece and sing with praises and honor the APC. for National Capital Region 116, applicant Adonis Arte Ambrosio. Applicant Richard Davido Bendiglio. Applicant Patricio Agustin Carbonell. Applicant Rodolfo Esteban de Vera.
For strength and hope in
Applicant Marlon Mendoza Daily.
let our hearts be proud and free. Take my hand and come
Applicant Edgardo Domingo Guico Jr. And last, applicant Renato Rosario Garcia. Portal Luzon Region 25. Applicant Manuel D. De Vera. Applicant Catherine Joy B. De La Cruz.
with heart and soul to make this
Applicant Cindy S. Cecil.
place to be.
And last, applicant Norbo Auson.
Let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing all I can to ease the pain,
For the
to let
LNR 21, Marlon S. Danao.
Lord, let me live my life to give. Let me show
For the integrated Landline Eagles Club,
my friends
applicant J. B. Montano.
where eagles fly for liberty. Truth and justice.
Applicant Roberto Corpus Aquino. Applicant Queenie A. Pinordo. For the NCR 11 applicants, applicant Jeffrey P. Alegria. NCR 11. Jeffrey P. Alegria. Applicant Norberto Dabukol. Applicant Herbert Dabukol. Applicant Laila Eka. Applicant Arnold Pagampang.
Across this wondrous land and stand all the
And last,
for strength,
applicant Elgado Diamco.
integrity. Take my hand and come
Okay, wala ka mamatay na kalimutan. Wala po. Applicant, please compress to the center. Applicant, you shall now become bona fide legal member of Kuya and Ate. At this juncture, I shall charge you with your duty, responsibility, and obligation of being legal member. Please remember the essence of eagleism, the state of relationship or building relationship. Eagle members must have primarily developed a deep sense of strong brotherhood among every Eagle member. Why? We shall develop a deep sense of strong brotherhood because we have one objective, and this objective is to serve anchor in our guiding principle, service to strong brotherhood. We have a commitment to our community, to our country, and to our fellow Eagles. Therefore, you must respect and support each other as brother in this fraternity, Philippine Eagles. Obey the Philippine Eagles Constitution at any given times. Love God with your heart. Develop and exercise the spirit of Alalayang Agila. Show good example in your community because we are law-abiding citizens. Equip your family with all aspects needs, spiritual, physical, emotional, and financial. Attend general membership meeting in your club and participate in all activity of your club. Pay your financial obligation always in your club, including regional and national fee and assessment. Last but not the least, let us not forget, being an eagle, let us look our fellow Kuya and Ate and each other with the eye of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. Are these all clear, applicant? Are these all clear, applicants? Eagle National President of the Patrol Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Kuya Donald F. De Los Santos, we humbly present to you the various members of different regions as a member of clubs and other regions. After having undergone and completed the mandatory training seminars given the Philippine Eagles of Leadership conducted at 30 March 2025 at Abilene Court, Philippines. For on behalf of the Philippine Eagles of Leadership, under the leadership of Eagle Maximo Dondon Ayurin, our appeal director, I am now highly recommending to you these applicants of various regions and clubs are now ready for induction. We have Gohas, Gohas is go to the center of the aisle. The table is yours.
Mga Kuya natin, in a few minutes, you will now become a bona fide member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. You have been charged accordingly to your duties and responsibilities being a member of our fraternity. I hope that after this chartering and induction, you have to perform your duties and responsibilities for the betterment of our national brotherhood. Please raise your right hand for the oath of office. I, Eagle, state your name. Having been duly and freely applied to be a member of a state youth club, a club to be affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagle, Incorporated, subscribing to the Constitution of the Philippine Eagles, and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, fraternal socio-civic organization, do hereby solemnly make out that I shall defend and uphold at all times the said Constitution of the Philippine Eagles, as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles and by my club, in having consciously uphold at all times the Eagles' delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with my region, with my national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations mga kwentante. Mabuhay niya! Mabuhay niya! Congratulations po.
Public management is turned on the light. Management. Patay na yung mga kanila. Okay. We are now proceed to the picking of Eagles Field. Mga ate, yung mga kasama ate, kuya, please. Picking na po yung mga pin ng ating mga bayan na ate. Let's welcome one of the directors, Kuya Jericho Guzman. Back to our position. Okay, dating pwesto po yan. We are now continue our program. Maraming pang oras para sa picture taking mga ate. And then, mga additional member, please. Balik na po tayo sa kanya-kanya mga upuan. Okay, dating pwesto po ako yan. Okay. Ate, kuya, ate pong mentor pang please. Back na po tayo, balik na tayo sa ating mga pwesto. And then yung mga additional member natin mga kuya, please, pwede na po tayong umalis sa ating kanya-kanyang mga upuan. Okay, dati gawin ko yan, kaya pag-usapan natin. Oh. Sukat, alam na. Yun yung talaga pinakis natin. Okay. Okay na? Please settle down. Mga kuya, mga ating bunso, Press of Eagle, we are now to the chartering of new clubs. Eagle National President of the Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Kuya Ronald F. Dos Santos, the charter officers and members of the three clubs, the Metro, Sinan, Victory Eagles Club, and Victory Hong Kong Lady Eagles Club, having undergone a completed the mandatory orientation seminars given by the Philippine Institute of Leadership on 30 of March 2025 at the Habitat Core, Ladies Hotel, Quezon City. According on behalf of the Philippine Institute of Leadership, I hereby recommend that the charter grant may granted the base of said Eagles Club in its application to the Patent Orders Eagle, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, be accepted in the name of the charter grant, charter officers and members described in the charter grant.
Kuya, by virtue of powers to me as the National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, I hereby present this charter grant to North Metro Pangasinan Eagles Club, Victory Eagles Club, Hong Kong, Victory Hong Kong, Lady Eagles Club, through the Charter President, Kuya Steve De La Cruz, Kuya Vicente Juan Jr., and Ate Marley Quijano, to be accepted and affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Kuya Pierre Director, please read the text of the Charter Grant.
The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, first Philippine-born fraternal social civic organization, services from brotherhood, Quezon City, Philippines, charter grant, law all meant by this present Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, national civic organization, pursuant to the Constitution and bylaws adopted, ratified, and Philippines on 7 July 1979 as amendment and now part of the Eagle Magna Carta, hereby grant and given the rights of organization to North Metro Pangasinan Eagle Club, located at Big Mali, Pangasinan, and hereby bestow all rights and privileges and impose all duty and obligation to the said Eagle Club under the aegis and guidance of the Eagles Constitution of the Philippine Eagles, Eagle 2025. Charter officers, Eagle Steve F. De La Cruz, President. Eagle Tiso M. Cagiwa, Vice President. Eagle Pascual P. Aquino, Secretary. Eagle Rene D.C. Reyes, Treasurer. Eagle Isato N. Nicolas, Auditor. Eagle Fernando S. Paragas, Information Officer. Eagle Fred O. Lumibao, Information Officer. Eagle Willie R. Arias Jr., Protocol Officer. Eagle Yorome L. Homo, Protocol Officer. Eagle Mark S. Salaksakan, Protocol Officer. Eagle Rosto A. Sarmiento, Peace Officer. Eagle Adrian A. B. Odimar, Peace Officer. Eagle Eugene A. Zacarias, Care Chairman. Eagle Ricardo D.C. Lopez, Tribunal Rivals Chairman. Eagle Loreto A. Ramos, Tribunal Rivals Chairman. Regional Assemblyman, Eagle Steve F. De La Cruz, and Sonny S. Salvador, and Eagle Carlito D. Santos. Alternate Regional Assemblyman, Eagle Roger S. Iscanio, and Eagle Edward B. S. Salvador. Charter member, I said away all the charter members. Club advisors, Eagle Iniber B. Katabay, Eagle Vicente P. D1 Jr., and Eagle Duke R. Sharbo. Sponsoring club, Integrated Grand Line Eagles Club. Event is 30th day of March 2025 at Aberdeen Court, Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. Signed, Eagle Ronald F. De Los Santos, National President, Eagle 2025. Attested by Eagle Alan O. Corpus, Secretary General, Eagle Year 2025. With full and full ay 8 Eagle Elmer B. Katabay, Charter Governor, Northern Luzon, Region 32. With full and wholehearted concurrent, Eagle Steve M. De La Cruz, Charter President, Northern Metro Pangasinan Eagles Club. Okay, the Battle Order Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. First Philippine-born patriotic civic organization, service through strong brotherhood, Quezon City, Philippines, Charter Grant. Now all them by men's this present, the Battle Order Eagles, Philippine Eagles, thus Philippine Eagles Incorporated, patriotic civic organization duly established pursuant to the Constitution and bylaws adopted and ratified at Quezon City, Philippines on 7 July 1979 as amended, now part of the Eagle Magna Carta, hereby grant and give the right of organization to Victory Elite Eagles Club, located at Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines, hereby bestow all rights and privileges and expose all duties and obligation to the Eagles said club under the aegis and guidance of the Eagle Constitution of Philippine Eagles. Charter officers, Eagle Vicente P. D1 Jr., President. Eagle Jose Paulo S. Del Pilar, Vice President. Eagle Mamerto L. Silvestre, Secretary. Eagle Federico S. Lumiao Jr., Treasurer. Eagle Ernie P. Doncillo, Auditor. Eagle Roger P. Guzon, Information Officer. Eagle Rodel L. Huerta, Information Officer. Emmanuel E. Vipira, Protocol Officer. Eagle Jose P. Gulipo, Protocol Officer. Eagle Trellano P. Enero, Protocol Officer. Eagle Vicente Jefferson D1, Peace Officer. Eagle Arturo E. Romero, Peace Officer. Eagle Joel C. Texon, Third Chairman. Eagle Mark Terry C. Perez, Tribunal Rivals Chairman. And Renato Mutitap, Tribunal Rivals. Regional Assemblyman, Eagle Mark Terry C. Perez, Eagle Humberto Silvestre, and Roger P. Goson. Alternate Eagle Assemblyman, Eagle Joel P. Texon, Eagle Arturo E. Romero. Chapter Member, I mentioned earlier. Club Advisors, Eagle L. E. Eagle Dionisio G. Galba. Integrated Western Eagle Club, Chapter date October 16, 2021. Club President Eagle Michael Angelo Suniga. Vice President Eagle Alan F. Digby. Future Assemblyman Eagle Iron Paulo Panginiban. Eagle Regent Astero Pugura II. And Eagle Jude B. Reyes. Integrated Northeastern Eagle Club, charter date June 4, 2022. President Eagle Jason Alvarez. Vice President Eagle Rodolfo E. Cruz. Eagle Assemblyman Eagle Jeffrey D. Sablan. Eagle U.A. Roca. Eagle Joseph B. Sunopa. Integrated Grand Line Eagles Club, charter date June 8, 2024. President Eagle June C. Shargo. Vice President Eagle Rafael B. Omali. Eagle Assemblyman Isalian L. De La Cruz. Eagle Jesus G. Mondragon. And Eagle Renan B. Ramos. Victory Elite Eagles Club, charter date March 30, 2025. President Vicente P1 Jr. Jose Paulo Del Pilar, Vice President. Eagle Assemblyman Eagle Mark Terry Perez. Eagle Mamerto F. Silvestre. And Eagle Roger P. Goso. Northern Metro Pangasinan Eagles Club, charter date March 30, 2025. Club President Eagle Steve F. De La Cruz. Vice President Eagle Tiso F. Cagiwa. Eagle Assemblyman Eagle Rolando C. Diaz. Eagle Sani El Salvador. And Eagle Rod El Salvador. Sponsoring region, National Capital Region 116. Regional Advisor, Eagle Glenn Michael Artornea. Eagle Ronaldo Gibora. Eagle Renato V. De La Cruz. And Eagle Jericho S. De Guzman. Given this 30th day of March 2025 at Eastern Hotel, Aberdeen Court, Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. Signed Eagle Ronald F. Dos Santos, National President, Eagle 2025, attested by Eagle Alan O. Corpus, Secretary General, with full and wholehearted concurrent. Eagle Elimer B. Catabay, Charter Governor, Northern Luzon, Region 32.
Kuya Eagle Elimer Catabay, Charter Governor of Northern Luzon 32, officers and members, by this charter grant that has been bestowed upon your region, I hereby declare that your region is now formally affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, effective 30th day of March 2025.
We call our National President in the sponsoring region for the handover of charter grant.
I am an eagle. Let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity. Let our hearts beat proud and free. Take my hand and come with me where eagles fly for liberty, truth and justice, equality, for God and home we live for I'll see you up where eagles make this world a better place to be. When the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an hero, doing all I can to ease the pain, to lessen ills, to mend the hand. Lord, let me live my life to give.
Ang ating Kuya Gov Jason Romantico, the Vice Chairman for Luzon. And of course, he is also the Chairman for Environmental, National Environmental. And of course, ang Kuya Gov Alex Ramos. Ayan, nakita nyo? Dahil sa pagmamahal niya sa Aguila, talagang umabol siya. Kuya, maraming salamat. Of course, sa lahat ng mga club officers na club president, club officers, regional officers, mga kuya at ate.
Maas po ako, kaya pipilitin ko pong gampanan yung aking pagka-presidente. So, salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sorry po, namamas po kasi ako eh. Kasi mainit.
Member po ng Eagles, maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap po sa amin. Pagsilbihan po natin ang bayan, Deo et Patria, for God and country, mabuhay ang atin. Maraming salamat.
Sino pa pala ba? Tulong class natin for the success of the region and yung mga incoming clubs. Cheers to all!
Thank you very much, Kuya Rena Ramos. Okay, isipot tayo lahat.
Maidaos po ang chartering induction installation ng Region General 32. Maraming salamat, Kuya Jericho. Thank you, Kuya Ian, Kuya Gob Ribo, Kuya Jason. Ako ay sumasaludo sa inyo. Kuya, thank you rin po. Hindi niyo po ako pinabayaan.
With heart and soul to make this world a better place to be. When the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing across this wondrous land and stand for all good things, for strength and hope, integrity.
This book endeavor as a symbol of your responsibility, authority, and leadership to govern the North Metro Pangasinan Eagles Club for the year 2025-2026.
I hereby full-heartedly accept this Roman given as a symbol of my authority, leadership, responsibility to govern North Metro Pangasinan Eagles Club
under the region of North Luzon Region 32 for the Eagle Year 2025-2026. Victory Hong Kong Eagles, Lady Eagles Club, an installation of North Luzon Region 32, an additional member is now called to adjourn.
Thank you very much, mga kuya, mga ate. Given round of applause to our new, installed, and youngest